sound of the cannon, we're going to proceed to unleash hell.
Welcome back to Mud Lake Ranch. Today we're at Iraq Veteran 8888 Range Day. Before we get started, if you're new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. You're gonna love this event. Check it out. So this is the sticker marker design for the Range Day.
Oh, that's so
Eric's
awesome.
cannon.
Look at that.
We brought like 600 of those to be given away. We also did these custom magazines for the event. They're 42 round Pro Mags with the
uploading new content. That's great. That's so awesome. Is this one ours to keep?
Yes.
Oh, thank you so much.
But we obviously have to tend to some housekeeping. Now, when it comes to the steel and everything, everything's been placed meticulously by the staff here at Red Hill. Please don't move any of the steel, any of the explosives from Jonathan and the guys. Do not move anything. Don't touch anything on the range unless you get permission from the staff of the range, because everything's been placed in a certain way for a certain reason. Please do not shoot the steel closest to you with rifles. Like, the range is a lot shorter this year than normal. Some of you have been here before. You now realize that we don't have quite the distance. Now it gives us more room to maneuver in here, which is nice, but it's going to be a little tighter. And some of these explosions out here are going to be pretty spicy, and we're going to be relatively close to them. So it's going to be danger close, so just keep that in mind. Before we set off any explosions, we're going to definitely give a warning, because we do have some pregnant women here, and we obviously don't want to cause harm to any children in the womb. So we'll do that. Obviously, if there's an issue, if someone gets hurt, you need to report to the admin tent, and we'll get you out of here. We got who's our medical on site? Raise your hand. We haven't had an issue. This is our 11th year of having this shoot. So we've had 10 successful years with no major injuries, and we intend to keep it that way. These gentlemen in the orange shirts are RSOs. They're here for your safety. They're here to make sure everyone is good to go. If they say something to you, don't take it personally. Look, I know we're all excited. We're going to have a lot of guns on the line. There's a lot of lead going down range. Last year, we logged over 250,000 rounds. So there's a lot of rounds going down range, and there's a lot of excitement going on. So I understand. I get it. We have cameras rolling. Everybody wants to get their content, but always make sure you are paying very close attention to your muzzle awareness and all of that sort of stuff. Now, up there on the line, we have tables across the firing line. That line that is going across the field here, is the firing line. That is, your body needs to touch the line. Everyone is an RSO. You can just say, hey, bro, look, you're screwing up. Don't take it personally. If someone tells you you're doing something wrong, just accept it and fix it. All right? Everybody should have a blue wristband. Who does not have a blue wristband? If you don't have a blue wristband, you need to go over to the admin's tent and get your waiver, because it means you don't have a waiver. And if you don't have a waiver, you can't shoot. In fact, once the shooting starts, you can't go on the property. So if you don't have a blue band, you have to leave.
Okay, Mark's wonderful wife Marie was killed in a car accident recently. And it took a lot for this man to pull himself together, get out here for us, and be strong for us, and come out here and support us. Today's Mad Minute is dedicated to his beautiful wife Marie. Today he's going to set the cannon off. At the sound of the cannon, we're going to proceed to unleash hell. Yeah. All right. Whoa, hang on. Let me go to the ears. Yeah. Oh, blow donate my eardrums. All good. Oh, buddy. Thank you, sir. My man looking out for me. At the sound of the cannon, we're going to go freaking make shit. On you, brother. For Marie.
before we start handing it out. Here's our official sticker we created.
Bro, it's even got the
It's
cannon
it's
and
got
everything.
your cannon.
Hell
And then we
yeah.
did 42 round custom magazines for the event. We're giving away about 75 of these.
Hell yeah. Hell yeah.
So I'm gonna eat this over to the chat if I can find them.
Yeah. I really appreciate you all. Okay, not the whole range hot, just Chad and I. We're gonna shoot these scarecrows. We're gonna send them to scarecrow hell. 3, 2, 1. We got a hot gun. Let me get my butt back here.
That's what you need.
That's affirmative. Back up.
Hang on, baby. Let me make the announcement, okay?
Ready on the right. Ready on the left. Center high.
Hit it, girl.
That's how you mow the grass.
Hell yeah, boys! Woo! I think I got my rounds in today. I might be done shooting today.
You had to work for that one. Lefty snap.
carry that over